Hi, it's Cindy and Jan on the back roads. We're in Greenville, Ohio at Artifacts, right downtown. The day we visited, Tammy wasn't there and neither was her mother. Her aunt was there, but she really couldn't give us a lot of information that we were looking for, so we'll have to go back when Tammy's there. But if you love arts and art supplies, this is like the candy store for you. So we'll just give you a look around her shop, but trust me, she's got good stuff. So it's an art gallery. They'll have workshops. They'll sell retail art. They'll sell supplies. This is a store for artists and those who want to be artists because they're going to teach you how. I have a lot of art supplies, but there's something every artsy person knows. You can never have too many. And there's something very comforting about being in the presence of art supplies. If you have an artsy person on your Christmas list or someone who wants to be artsy, why not give them a gift certificate to this wonderful shop? If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd also invite you to subscribe to our Facebook page. We share a whole lot of additional information on that page. And as always, please share it so others can find this shop. And if you know someplace great that we should check out, please let us know. We're always up for a trip on the back roads. Thanks for watching.